30 seconds. One sec.
So, what we have here is an image on the screen. Just in case you're wondering, it's an image on the screen. An image is of a human being with white squiggles all over the human being. White squiggles. Next slide, please. Now we're talking about the colour green. The colour green. We're talking about the colour green, and the colour green is popular in this drawing. Extremely popular. Very, very popular. Next slide. This is a particularly interesting image, and if you're looking at it, depending on which perspective, which angle, which bodily position you're standing or looking, this image changes. It's illusionary. It changes depending on your position. Next slide. Here again we have the white outline. The white outline. As if the figure is in some way spiritual, as if the figure is in some way mystical, ethereal, in some way out of context. The figure, alive or dead, is absent. Or is it? Maybe. Next slide. Green. We're back to green. We're back to green. Next slide. Red. Red. So we're looking at a table. We're looking at an interior structure. We're looking at a table with what appears to be drawing and sketching and drawing and sketching. Numbers. No, they're not numbers. They are not numbers. We're looking here, lines, lines, lines. Space. Interior space. Negative, positive space. Consider space. Next slide. My favourite, toilet roll. My favourite. Next slide. For the final slide, one has to inhabit one's own interior space. Next slide. This slide, as you can see, contains a digital drawing. The colour eludes me as I'm myself within an interior space. Next slide. And this is a final slide. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Thank you for being here. Thank you for inhabiting the same space as me. That's it. Done.